So these last ones are called difference of two squares because the two brackets that you're going to be given are exactly the same except that one's a plus and one's a minus in between. And when that happens, it means that when you do your FOIL expansion, the two middle terms will always cancel out because one will be a plus 2x, the other will be a minus 2x, and then that means they disappear. So you will end up with something that looks like that. Just two terms, something squared minus something else. But we're going to still do the same process because when you go into the test, I want you to be able to look at these questions and go, these are all the binomial ones, which means I'm just always going to do the two brackets and expand out using the FOIL. And I think that way, if you're doing the same thing over and over and over again, hopefully you get them all right. Yeah? Okay, so we are going to times these ones out. We're going to go x times x is x squared. X times a positive 2 makes a positive 2x. Minus 2 times x makes the negative 2x. A minus 2 times a positive 2, what does that make? Minus. Because one of them was negative, it will be a negative 4. And what should always happen when you look at those middle terms, a plus 2x minus 2x, that would make 0. So they effectively just cancel out. That's why I've crossed them out. And we get x squared minus 4. Okay, so it doesn't matter when you're in the test whether you recognize from the start what type this is, because you should expand it out and it'll just come out nicely. So let's do it again. X times x is x squared. X times the negative 5 will be negative 5x. A positive 5 times x is a positive 5x. And then 5 times negative 5 is negative 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. Again, minus 5x plus 5x will cancel out, and we will just get x squared minus 25. Next one. So we're doing x times x is x squared. X times 7, a positive 7, so plus 7x. Minus 7 times x is minus 7x. Minus 7 times 7 is negative 49. Middle ones cancel out. And we get x squared minus 49. One last one. X times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Positive 3 times x is plus 3x. And 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Minus 3x plus 3x disappears, and x squared minus 9 is the answer. You like those ones? All right, let's stick to the left-hand column again.